Hi, my name is Hilary Green, and I am a fifth-year PhD candidate at the University of California, Davis in the Agricultural and Environmental Chemistry graduate group. Today, I'll be talking about my PhD work on avocado oil and the road to standard development for this product. Edible oils should have a set of standards or a group of chemical parameters used to determine if the oil is of appropriate purity and quality. Purity standards determine if a bottle of, say, avocado oil is in fact made from avocados and doesn't contain anything else that's not listed on the label. Quality parameters determine the degree of oxidation or hydrolyzation of an oil, and these limits change depending on if an oil is labeled extra virgin, refined, or crude. Avocado oil currently does not have standards, which can lead to consumer health risks and unfair competition in the marketplace. A bottle of soybean oil that's labeled as avocado oil can be sold for less than a bottle of pure avocado oil. I'm working to provide chemical data to help support the standard development process. My first study in 2020 analyzed avocado oils on the market, and we found that 82% of samples were of poor quality or adulterated with other oils that were not on the label. There was also an interesting set of samples from this study that were just outside what we expected a pure avocado oil to look like. But because literature was minimal, we didn't know if these oils were pure and simply impacted by a unique natural variable, such as a weird harvest time, or if they were adulterated. My next study worked to fill in these gaps by making avocado oils in lab. We processed fruit from both California and Mexico over their respective harvest seasons and accounted for a variety of natural variables that could potentially impact the purity and quality parameters. We did this so we could get a complete picture of the natural variation within avocado oil. The quality data showed a couple important things. First, free fatty acidity, or a measure of hydrolysis, went up significantly in oil made with grade 4 fruits. And this was expected because free fatty acids we know increase in rotten and insect-infected fruit. And grade 4 is a very bad quality fruit. However, if we look at the other end and we look at oil made from our grade 1 fruit, we can also get a sense of what an extra virgin, excellent quality avocado oil should look like. And we found that the free fatty acids for our grade 1 oils were much lower and were all below 0.3. If we look at peroxide value, which is a measure of oxidation that's not shown here, all except one of our grade 1 oils were below 4. And these values are important because they can be used as references when developing quality standards for extra virgin or virgin avocado oils. For our purity parameters, we found that tags and fatty acids were significantly impacted by harvest time and growing region. And this is significant because right now standards need to be broad enough to accommodate oils from Mexico, New Zealand, the US, and Kenya, which are all producing countries of avocado oil with very different climates. The results from this work will help standard development organizations set limits that are broad enough to account for oils from all of these regions, but still strict enough that we do not allow potential adulterations to go unnoticed.